a look at this 1987 Chevrolet El Camino. Now, this particular one is a Choo edition, which did the El Camino SS's for Chevrolet out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. You can check out in the still pictures the actual door tag where it states the VIN of this car and that it was a Choo conversion. Of course, that would have been an appearance package in 1987. Underneath the hood, powered by a 305 Chevrolet V8 that is paired with an automatic transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. It's the Choo Customs logo on the front bumper. Just wanted to give you a good look at the front fascia here. It does have some dingers on it. There's a little stress crack up here in the clear. Down here in this right corner, there's a spot where it has been touched up, painted over a little bit. So there are a few of those spots. I'm going to point those out as I go along. Interior in this would be cloth bucket seats with center console. Stock dash. Does not look cracked. Looks like it is in nice shape. Original AM/FM cassette radio that does work. AC, power steering, and power brakes would be the equipment on this car. AC does blow cold. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The bed of this does have kind of a rubber mat in it, FYI, for protection. So you can see the 5-spoke chrome wheels, American Racing wheels. You do have a little dinger up here, kind of where the SS is. Also want to mention that. Otherwise, you can take a look up and down the driver's side of this. Rear chrome looks an original in good shape. They made these from 83 to 87, actually. 87 model year, there's only 861 of these made. I'm going to go ahead and start this up for you too. Again, 305 V8 underneath the hood. Here's that Choo tag that I'm talking about. Aftermarket speakers behind the seat there. Power windows, power locks. No warning indicators on. I did notice it looks like the fuel gauge was pegged. Could be an issue with the sending unit. Again, AC worked, AM/FM cassette works. This is a 305 paired with an automatic transmission. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy or out of the ordinary as far as cam or aftermarket exhaust, just what you'd expect Chevy small block V8 to sound like. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pause this a second, let's pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood popped, there's the engine bay. It's pretty stock. Doesn't look like a lot's changed underneath there from when it came to in 87. Once again, 305 V8 AC works, power steering, power brakes. What they say, 861 of these Choo edition El Camino SS is made in 87. Silver metallic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.